Hello everyone.
The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is continuing at the High Court in Pretoria, and Advocate Mngome Zulu, who's representing accused number 1, Muzika Ukhalelwa Sibiya, is seriously cooking in that courtroom.
Yes, fine, no, you can go on.
He's actually cross-examining Sergeant Mogola, and he began asking the witness that before she came on board, there were other investigations that were done prior. The witness said that's correct. There were other investigating officers. Mngome Zulu put it to him that when they started investigations in 2018, did they approach Senzo Meyiwa family to secure statements from them? The witness said she doesn't know. Gininda will have that knowledge. Mngome Zulu asked if she obtained a statement from Sifiso Meyiwa, the brother of Senzo Meyiwa, and Mandisa Mkhize, the wife of Senzo Meyiwa. Sergeant Mogola said no. Advocate Mngome Zulu further asked if she obtained a statement from Mr. Hlophe, the brother-in-law of Senzo Meyiwa. She said no. Mngome Zulu then told the witness that the investigation that she made is far from the truth of what happened on the 26th of October 2014, and he will demonstrate it before the court. Mogola said they wouldn't be sitting in court if the investigation is far from the truth, because the warrant are issued based on the evidence that is presented. Mngome Zulu said he's not in a hurry, he'll demonstrate that, and further said there's no way she wouldn't know that Brigadier Gininda interviewed Senzo's family. The witness said that's incorrect because she was not the lead investigating officer. She's part of the investigating team. Sometimes she wouldn't be present during the investigation. Mngome Zulu took her back when she said accused number 1 wanted to make admissions on the 30th of May 2020. Can she tell the court, because nothing is hidden now? What did he say exactly? Mogola said Gininda once mentioned that Sibiya might have been involved in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa. He didn't tell her in details. She then asked Sibiya about the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, and his response was that he's involved but he didn't kill Senzo because he was outside. That is why she contacted Gininda and told him about Sibiya's admissions. Advocate Mngome Zulu said this is the first time hearing that Gininda informed her that Muzi Sibiya might be linked. Did he inform her on the day she executed the warrant or prior to that? The state witness said prior to that, when she was given the docket. Mngome Zulu said when she approached Muzi, when he made admission, it was not new to her. It's something that she was informed prior approaching Muzi. Sergeant Mogola said that's not correct. Gininda informed him prior that there's information that Muzi is involved in the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, and Muzi told him a different story. Mngome Zulu said there's evidence of Gininda that said he got this information from Zungu before confessions were taken. Mogola said he didn't tell her that. He only said Muzi might have been involved. Mngome Zulu further said the same Zungu that his statement was disbelief in 2019. He gave Gininda a statement in 2019 and 2020 affecting accused number 1 on the same statement. If Gininda didn't tell her, where did he source that information before she executed the warrant? And it's very strange why he didn't disclose that information to her. The state witness said Gininda doesn't account to her. She's the one who accounts to him. He's not obligated to tell her everything. Mngome Zulu asked if Gininda was a colonel or a brigadier at that time. Mogola said she can't remember. Mngome Zulu said that means she didn't know the commander of Gininda. The witness said it was General Sithole, former national commissioner. Advocate Mngome Zulu further put it to her that did Muzi say Marco was the one who shot Senzo or Makimbi? Mogola said he didn't tell him in detail. He said he knows, but he isn't the one who shot Senzo because he was outside at that time. Mngome Zulu said according to the confession that was read in court by Mboto is that accused number 1 made a confession that he was with Marco Buthelezi and Makimba Buthelezi during the day Senzo was killed. Mogola said it wasn't made before her, but there was an officer who was requested to make a confession from him. Advocate Mngome Zulu said it's a statement that was taken by Mboto, and the point he's trying to make is that Muzi was with Marco and Makimbi, and one of the two is the one who shot Senzo. Mogola said yes, that's according to his affidavit. Mngome Zulu said Makimbi died died, but Marco is not in court facing the charge of killing Senzo. Mogola said there's a reason for that because Musi was misleading them. Marco and Makimbi were in jail at that time. Advocate Mngomezulu said she gathered the information after arresting accused number 1. Mogola said that's correct. Mngomezulu further asked her if this information was obtained prior arresting Musi or after. Mogola said she's not sure, but after Gininda briefed them about the confession, because she was not privy to the confession, he only told them to follow up the information. Mngomezulu told Mogola that he has 2 statements and 2 of them have been read before the court. It's for Gininda. It said on the 23rd of October 2020, 5 months, Gininda made affidavit under oath and confirmed all those affidavits and was satisfied with the content. That's when he mentioned 5 accused. Judge Rata Mokgwatleng, who's presiding over the matter, interrupted him and said he ruled that it was hearsay in a trial within a trial. Mngomezulu said he'll proceed because it's relevant to the question, and further said the statement mentioned Kelly Kumalo was commissioned by her. Mogola confirmed that. Mngomezulu further put it to her that it was not discussed with her by Gininda. Everything that is in the statements. Mogola said she was only part of the investigating team. She doesn't know everything. Advocate Mngomezulu said he'll ask him. He's coming to testify, and it's not new to her that there was in fact 6th person. Mogola kept on saying it's only Gininda who can account to what he has put in the statement. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.
Thank you, my lord. The person who killed Senzo Meyiwa is not here amongst these 5.